recording. Wait.
Last class I was
Yes.
not having
Now
this
I'll
paper.
show you the screen. Yeah. So listen. We'll do this page in that. This one. Okay, listen, this is the page which we are doing, Unit 3, Magic Squares. Okay, so what do you know? Have you heard of magic squares, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Magic squares,
Yes, ma'am.
horizontally and vertically, when you add, you will get the same number.
Same.
Diagonally
You know
also.
what is horizontal? Row wise. If you add row wise, you will be getting the same number as answer. Listen here. If I am, I'll take another color, otherwise it is okay. If you add row wise, you can see 2 plus 7 plus 6, 15. Isn't it? Again,
Yes.
9 plus 5 plus 1, 15. Again, 4 plus 3 plus 8, 15. Right? Row wise you are adding, you will get the same number. Then column wise you add, like this you add 2 plus 9 plus 4. It is 15.
15.
Isn't it? Again, 7 plus 5 plus 3, it is 15. 6 plus 1 plus 8, it is 15. Clear?
Ma'am, and we add
And one more
diagonally
thing is
also.
there. Diagonal wise you add, diagonal wise. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Diagonal. Again, another diagonal is there for the square. 2 diagonals, isn't it? What is meant by a
Yes.
diagonal? The point
Line which
joins
passes through the
opposite
center.
corners. Okay. So
Joining corners.
the line, this is 6 plus 5 plus 4. Again, it is 15. Right? So row wise and column wise if you add, and also diagonal wise, the sum will be equal. That is a magic square. Here you see we are going to see only 3 into 3 magic square, 3 into 3 grid of 3 into 3. Okay, we are taking only 3 into 3 magic square. That means what? 3 columns and 3 rows. Okay, 3 columns and 3 rows. Suppose here a 3 into 3 magic square of numbers 1 to 9 can be arranged as follows. This is the arrangement. Okay, there is a particular way to arrange it that you have to study. Simply if you add, you won't get. But first problem, they have given some numbers here. So it is easy to fill. Clear? Some numbers. This one is the thing given to you. That to complete. That is easy. You can complete it because in between some numbers are given. So let us try this. After that, I'll explain the method how to prepare the magic square. Okay, so let us see this. This is easy, isn't it? And one more thing, what they say is the middle number 14. In any magic square, the middle number into 3 will be equal to the total sum. In a 3 by 3 magic square. Okay, in a 3 by 3 grid, that is 3 into 3 magic square, the middle number into 3 will be the sum of all the numbers row wise, column wise and diagonal wise. Understood? That is the important point. Middle, if middle number is given, you can find out. The middle number into 3 will be the sum. Okay. So here 14 is the middle number given. So what will be the sum? 14 into 3,
14 into 3.
42 will be the sum.
42.
So when you add, you should get 42 here, 42 here, 42 here, column wise, sorry, row wise. And column wise, you should get again 42 here, 42 here, 42 here. Okay. And diagonal wise also, you should get in the corner 42. Here also, you should get in the corner 42 when you add. So, how will you do? This is easy. Simply subtract, isn't it? You know, here, here it is given, 14 is given. Now, diagonal wise you add here, you will get easily, it is 42, isn't it? 20, 30, then Again 10,
18.
40, then what is remaining? 2. So 42. Diagonal wise it is 42. Now just check this one. What is this one? Can you find out? Easy, no? You can add 11 and 18 and
Yes.
subtract from 42. What will be the answer?
14.
Huh?
13.
Ma'am, 14.
14. No.
Ma'am,
11.
13.
13.
Check. Total is 42. 11 plus 18.
Ma'am, 16.
No. How come?
Ma'am,
See,
13.
you add 11 and 18 and subtract from 42. You will get this number, isn't it? So what is the answer? 11 plus 18, you will be getting 29. 29. 42 minus 29, what is it?
Ma'am, 18, 13, 13,
Huh?
13.
13.
13.
Answer is 13.
Ma'am,
Their
first
answer is
onwards,
13.
we're saying that.
Okay. So there you will get
Many
the
of
answer
them.
as 30. What about the next? Next you see, so you got 13 here. Listen, we'll rub all these things. Okay, we'll rub all these. Now you understood. We should get 42 as the sum. Now here we got one number, that is 13. Okay, here it is 13 you told. Okay, then one more number we got. No, what is that? No, we didn't get. Okay. So what will
Ma'am,
be then? Which
diagonal
one we can
wise.
find out? We
11.
can find
10,
out this one. No?
11.
Already
Yeah.
two numbers are in that column. So what will be that? 14 plus
21.
13.
21.
42 minus 14 plus 13.
Mama, he got all the answer.
Please be louder. I can't hear. What is the answer?
Full
Ma'am,
answer.
that 10 and 11's column we can find, right?
Mama, he got full answer.
Okay, very good. Just towards
Mama, I
the
got
end
full
you check.
answers.
Okay. This one.
Mama,
Can
I
you tell
got
me
full
this
answers.
answer?
Ma'am, that 10 and 11's column we can find, right?
It is 15. Okay. Isn't it? Got it?
Yes.
14 plus 13. It
And
is
that 10
27.
and 11
42 minus
is
27.
21.
You will get 15. Okay. Next. Next you can find out this one, no? 10 and 15, 25.
17.
Yes, 70. Very good. 70. Then what about, then you have got this. Then you can, these things you got, this one. Now this diagonal wise is also correct. Then what about the other one? You have to get 42 there. Here you can find out. 10 plus
Where, ma'am?
11?
Ma'am, 21.
21.
21. Good. So 42 minus 21, you will get 21 as answer. Here it is 21. Then, what about, now this one you
Then
have
it
to
will be
find out.
35. 21 plus 14.
Subtract from 42. 42 minus 21 plus 40.
Ma'am, 7.
Answer is
7. Ma'am, 7.
7. So
Ma'am,
answer
can
is
you
7.
hear
This
me?
is the answer for that. Okay. If you don't have the printed form, you can take down in the rough book. This is
Ma'am,
one
can
of
you
the
send
magic
this
square.
PDF?
It is easy to fill it up when some numbers are given. Okay.
Ma'am,
We are going to study how to fill it when no numbers are given.
Can
You
you
are asked to
hear?
prepare a magic square. Okay. Again, one more thing is there. I'll teach you how to prepare. There are several methods in the net. If you check, you will be getting Google. If you search, you can find out so many methods they are explaining. One method which I found little bit easy, I am explaining to you. Okay, listen.
Can you hear
We'll take
me?
the next page. This is easy. Understood, no? Just, so what is magic square? Magic square is an arrangement where row wise and column wise and also diagonal wise the sums are equal. Clear? Okay. And the central value into 3 will be the sum, total sum for a 3 into 3 magic square. 3 into 3 means, magic square means what? 3 columns into 3 rows. That's why 3 into 3 we are saying. Okay. Now we shall pass on to the next page.
Ma'am,
Can raise hand.
ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am,
Adityan, you got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now we pass on to the next page. We can see the next page.
ma'am,
Yeah.
if no numbers are given, then how we will
We have to find out. That is what we are going to see, how it will be. Okay.
Ma'am, it is very simple.
Just to see this magic square, just to read this, before explaining, you can read it and, okay, listen. The magic square given below uses all numbers from 7 to 15. The sum of the numbers in each row, column, two diagonals remain same. Which number would you replace star in the given square once completed? Okay, so here actually first we will study how to prepare the magic square when of numbers from 7 to 50. Okay, after that I'll explain to how to fill in this column. So magic square of 3 into 3 grid can be prepared by our number is 7 to 15, isn't it? Our number is 7 to 15. Anything you can arrange in the order. Okay. So one, just to see this method, some letters are given. Hepzig fad. You can write it like this. Okay. Hepzig fad. It's a trick or one method. Hepzig fad. Hepzig fad. And now we will write the write all the numbers from 7 to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. After that, let us take this square. Okay. We need a simple grid for filling it. Just see this. I'm taking this empty grid for that. I have drawn a 3 into 3 grid. Now what I will do, I will write in order. A, B, C. See, just you draw a square like that, you have to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is the position. See, it will go like this, like this, like this, complete the square and come. Clear? This way. Hepzig fad, just write it like this. Then what you have to do is, accordingly you write the numbers. Write the numbers. What is A? A here is 14. A is 14. B is what? 9. C, 10. I 11. Then G, 12. Then F, 13. A, 4. What is that? A we wrote. Then E is left out. What is E? 8. Okay. And D is also there, 15. D is 15, H is there, H is 7. Okay. Just count it. Now we have written the numbers, no? And it was told that the central value denotes the sum. So what can be the central value? What can be the sum? Can you say?
33.
Central value is 11. Center square is 11 is there, no? 33. So when you add, you should get 33 in each column and row. Just check whether you are getting 33.
Yes, we are getting.
All the rows and all the columns, just check and tell me whether you are getting 33.
Yes, ma'am, we are getting.
So that is how you are preparing the magic square. That is, what
Ma'am,
you have
how
to
did
do,
we
just
understand that
write
we have to?
hexafrad and write all the numbers in order.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how can we understand that we have to get the sum 33?
We have to
Get the sum 33.
11 into 3.
check 11.
Middle number into 3.
Central number into 3. 3, how come it became 3? Because it is 3 into 3 grid. Okay. Central number into 3.
But in the first place, there is no 11, right? Then how
Huh?
we are getting?
11 into 3, 33.
And from where we get that 11?
33. So if it is some other number, it will be some other answer. We'll do like that. We'll do another problem. We take another set of numbers, central
Ma'am.
number will change. Okay. So this
Ma'am,
one you should
if
get
it is-
33 as the. Just check whether row wise,
Ma'am,
column
can you
wise,
hear
and
me?
diagonal wise the sum is 33. So
Ma'am.
okay. Now listen. We
Ma'am.
will come back to our question.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Given here. Okay.
Ma'am.
Just see. Yes.
Ma'am, Anan is calling you.
Anan, what is the problem?
Ma'am, in 3 grid, this box, right? We should only take Hep sig fat.
Third, 3 into 3 grid, you take hepsic pad, you can get the answer. If the numbers are given in consecutive, numbers are given like 7 to 15, it is together, isn't it? Like that. Now uh, just check how to do our problem. This is the way we have arranged. Okay. Now we will come back to this question. Top question. There they have given some numbers and one rule is there, children. I'll tell you the rule that we can just exchange the rows and columns. Understood? Suppose this row can be down and this column can be this side and the same column can be on another side. However you change, the sum remains the same. Okay, so let us change like that and put the numbers here. Here you see 7, 14. Which is the column containing 7 and 14? This one, no?
H
So
and
what is the remaining number there?
A.
12. So you
12.
can write there 12. I'll take a dark color. See, we have 7 and 14. So what is the number? 7 and 14 is here. Which is the number remaining? 12 in that column. So what is remaining column here? There you fill 12. Then 7 along with 7, what is there? 11 and 15.
11 and
Other one we
15.
have taken already. So with 7 we can fill 11 and 15. 11 and 15. Then with 12. With the 12, what are
13
the
and
numbers?
9.
13 and 8.
13 and 8.
13 and 8. Then 14. With the 14, what are the numbers? 9 and 10. 9, 10. In this order itself
9
you
and
have
10.
to go. Okay, 14, then 9, then 10. So here, where is 14? Where is 14 now? 14. 14, then 9, then 10. Like that you have to do. Now check again, the sum will be the same. And what is the question is? What is the number replacing that star? What is the number?
8.
8. So 8 is that number. Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Now I'll give you another question. You have now this is the question. Creative corner. We have used that grid for explaining. That's why it's a question. Just
Ma'am.
choose 9. Yes.
Ma'am, in the creative corner, we can write our own numbers, right?
You can write your own numbers. Now for the time being, I'll be giving you the number because I have to check whether what you do is correct. Later, after this period, you take consecutive numbers. Okay. You have to take 9 into 9 consecutive numbers only you have to take. Clear? Some will be different. Now I'll be giving you 9 consecutive numbers. Then only it should be same. Otherwise, I cannot check. Understood? So 9 consecutive numbers of your choice. After this period, you can try. Clear? This one I will give you. Just do it and tell me the answer. Otherwise, I cannot check all the numbers which you do. So I'll be giving you one problem. Here it is given. Choose 9 consecutive numbers of your choice.
Where we should write that?
9 consecutive numbers. Let the numbers can be. I'll give you the thing because otherwise we will consume a lot of time. That's why I will give the numbers from 15 to 23. Okay, 15 to 23. Find out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
where we should write?
there's
You
the
don't
middlemost
have
number
the
also.
book with
Ma'am,
you?
we have to do till like
you
we
have to
done
do
the
now.
last question.
You have to do now.
No, ma'am, we have to
That's the
do
middle
how
most
that
number.
last question.
Yes, this is the question. Choose 9 consecutive numbers of your choice and create a magic square. Steps the steps you know already. Okay. This is not, that trick is not given in here and all. Using this, you find out what is the magic
Using
square can be made with
Hepsic
using
fact.
these columns. If no column is if you don't have the book, just draw a 3 into 3 matrix like this and do it now in the rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the middlemost number?
Huh?
Middle number.
No middle number here. Don't see this one. Don't go for this. Okay. Do with what I have told you.
Hepsic fad.
What is that? You want it? Hepsic fad. Hepsic fad. Okay. This is that.
Ma'am, numbers from 15 to 23.
15 to 23.
Ma'am, is 57 the sum?
Hello?
Ma'am,
Yes.
57.
57. Middlemost is 19.
Very good. Who got the answer?
Middlemost is 19.
Yes, yes. Yes, good. Who got?
Gauri.
Anand.
Ma'am,
Anan. Very good. Yes,
ma'am,
Sriram
I
also got the
the
answer.
sum.
Very good.
but I
Ma'am, Gauri also.
number.
Yeah, very good. I don't have time to spend much. Just I'll give you 2 more minutes. It is 11:13 now. We have to start with the other chapter. So just take time, just 2 minutes, and find out the answer. Anybody else can find out? Sriram and Anand got it. Good.
Gauri also got.
Ma'am,
Let's show the answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, Gauri.
Ma'am, we show the answer.
I will show the answer, but tell me, how many of you got 57 as the total one?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got.
Gauri.
Okay.
Ma'am, Sriram.
Ma'am, Ishel.
Oh my God.
Ma'am, Sriram.
Ma'am, Ishel.
Ma'am, Adityan.
Adityan. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, is a
Sriram.
Ishel.
Okay. Just check your
yes, yes.
answers, children. I'll write the answers. This is the these are the numbers 22, 17,
17,
18,
23,
15, 19, 23,
23,
20, 21,
21,
and
21,
16.
16.
Okay, see 19 into 3, it is 57. So when you add diagonally and when you add row wise, column wise,
we'll get
answer will be
57.
57.
okay. Okay, so that's all today for about this math magic. So we have completed one, then remaining we can complete later, okay, after this week, because we have to finish the
Okay.
chapter. So today we start with the new chapter, okay. So is it clear to you?
Ma'am, which is
Yes,
the
yes,
chapter
ma'am.
name?
If anybody asks to find a magic square, you should not say you don't know. You can use this method. 3 by 3 magic square, it is useful if it is consecutive numbers. Okay, usually 9 only can be filled in this, 9 consecutive numbers. So we'll stop it here and we'll start with the new chapter of our mathematics.
Ma'am, this is the way how
Yes.
we play Sudoku and all.
Can you be little more louder? I can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
is this the
Anna.
way to play Sudoku?
Can you put in the chat box?
Ma'am, she's
Ma'am,
asking
Anand is
that is it the way to play Sudoku?
Oh.
Anyone put in chat box? You can't hear. Can't see that also.
Oh, it's not rubbing. So, pen drive itself, it is.
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, Anan is asking, is this how we play Sudoku?
No, Sudoku number wise.
No, I have
Ma'am,
Sudoku is different.
Numbers, not the
playing
sum.
with Sudoku.
Sudoku pattern.
Sudoku is different.
Pattern.
Bingo.
some problem with audio.
This the
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, if you're shouting only, I can hear you. Otherwise, I cannot hear. Okay, we'll start with the what is the time? 11:17. You have the time till 11:30 only, no?
yes. 5 minutes for attendance.
Now I'll take another one. We are going to see the next. No, not this, children. This rubber eraser. Erase. Yes. We'll take another one of this. That is new chapter. What we are going to do is chapter 11. It is comparing quantities. I told you, isn't it? I'll be taking comparing quantities. Comparing quantities, chapter 11. In this, we study about, okay, in this, can you see this? I'll
Ma'am,
make it
it's
small.
blur.
Now, cannot read?
We can't read anything.
You cannot read. Now,
Ma'am, I can read.
Ma'am, I also can read, but some
what
cannot
about
read.
others?
Yeah,
I
when
can
we
read. I can
in
read.
our phone itself, when we zoom, we can read.
Comparing quantities is our topic. Okay, chapter 11,
Yes.
comparing quantities. You have studied in standard 6, isn't it? Percentages you have studied. The ratio and proportion. One chapter was there last year,
Yes.
isn't it? Ratio. What do
Yes.
you mean by ratio?
2 dot.
Two quantities
Is
can
to.
be compared, isn't it? So when you we use several methods for comparing. We use several methods for comparing. If Amina's height is 150 centimeter and another person's height is 147 centimeter, we say Amina is 3 centimeter longer than the other
Taller
person.
than
Isn't it? That
other
is one method of comparison, subtraction. Another method of comparison is ratio. I'll tell you what it is. We'll start from the beginning. Ratio. Okay, when you write a ratio, what does it mean? It is actually
Is to.
Okay, it is actually fraction. Suppose one person is you say, suppose the person is 150 meter high, tall, and the other one is 75 meter tall. Centimeters, not meter, it is centimeters tall. Let it be like this. So what is the ratio between them? It is ratio, suppose ratio of, ratio of Google and, yes, Abhinanth. Ratio of Gokul and Abhinanth. Gokul and Abhinanth. Gokul is 75 centimeter tall and Abhinanth is 150 centimeter tall. So, what is the ratio of height of Gokul to Abhinanth? What is the ratio of
55 is
height
to
Gokul to Abhinanth? What is that?
155
75 is to
75 is to
1 is to 150.
150.
Understood? I will say the ratio of height of Gokul to Abhinanth is 75 is to 150. What is the height of Abhinanth is to Gokul?
150 is
150 by
Is to
75.
75.
the
75.
difference. The order, first thing which you have to listen is order of the ratio. Order of the ratio, and you can say it's a method of comparison. It's a method of comparing. I'll tell you how to compare. Now we were considering the height of two children, Abhinanth and Gokul. So I wrote Gokul is to Abhinanth is 75 is to 150. And Abhinand is to Gokul is 150 is to 75. Okay. Now, another thing which you have to study in ratio is ratio should be always expressed in lowest form or simplest form. Actually, when you write here, this is 75 by 150. When you write this, it is 150 by 75. Okay. Now, we have to represent it only in simplest form. So, Gokul is to Abhinand is equal to 75 by 150. Okay. What is that? You know, 75 into 2 is 150.
150.
Isn't it? 75 into 2 makes 150.
1
so
by
1
2.
by 2, right? Take 75 as common factor. 75 into 1, 75. 75 into 2, you can see it is
150.
150. So 1 is to 2. Hmm? So our ratio is 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. So we will say just, we can compare, isn't it? He is just half of the Abhinand. We can say like that. Comparing. It is used for comparing two persons, height, weight, or anything. Okay. Not only persons, you can, not only persons, anything you can compare. Okay, with ratio. Now again another one. When you take the reverse, it is 150 by 75. So it will become 2 by
2
1.
by 1.
Or we
by
write
1.
it as
2.
2
2
is
is
to
to
1.
1.
So we say the ratio in other form. If then it will be Abhinand is to Gokul. Abhinand is to Gokul is 150 by 75. Then you will write it as 2 by 1 or 2 is to 1. Okay. So 3 things you studied. Now, what is that? So first one,
How
we
we
use
got
the ratio for comparing, isn't it? We use the ratio for
Ma'am, how
comparing
we got 2:1?
two quantities. Very good. Comparing two quantities.
7 divided by 1 equals to 75
Okay.
divided by 1.
Okay, another example you want, suppose we are going to make tea. We are going to make tea. Okay, in the place of, for making tea, I need, it is told that the ratio of water to,
E.
to what? Sugar,
Tea powder.
milk. Okay, milk is milk is 4 is to 2 if I am writing things. 4 is to 2. What does it mean?
4 liter and 2 liter.
Raised to
4
milk.
cups.
to-
Okay, 4
2
cups
is to
of
1.
water. I need 2 cups
2 is to
of
1.
milk. Understood? That is the meaning. We have to reduce it and write, isn't it? So what it will become? When you reduce the
By
common
2
factor
raised
and
to
reduce
1.
it is 4 by 2.
2 raised to
So
1.
it is
Sorry,
1 by
2 is to
2
1.
is to 1.
So what? 2 is to 1.
1.
2 is to 1. Did you understand? So we say half ratio, right? So milk is to water.
Yeah.
What will you write? Milk is to water.
Half. 1 is to
1 is to
2. 1 is
1
to
is
2.
to 2.
So always
One's
order
to-
of the ratio you have to be very careful. If you say water is to milk, it should be 4 is to 2 or 2 is to 1. We reduced form you write. If it is milk is to water, it should be 1 is to 2. So the order of the ratio is very important. Clear? We can summarize 3 things what you studied now. That is,
Ma'am, attendance.
it's time for attendance. So, okay, we'll summarize and then stop. Listen, children, we studied now 3 things. What is a ratio used for? Tell me.
Comparing.
Comparing two quantities, isn't it? For comparing two quantities. Then the order of writing the ratio is important.
In the
Third
simplest
thing, ratio is always expressed in the simplest
form.
or reduced form. Clear? So in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
period, we can continue with the remaining.
Ma'am, one more
portion.
thing. Ma'am, did you send rational numbers and exponents notes?
No. I'll send it. I'll send it. Okay. I'll arrange it and send it.
Okay.
Okay. So we will come back. I have to take attendance. Okay. Stop share. Yes. Good morning, sir. Sir was there.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Sir.
Okay, children. Sri Ram.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Today's date is 19. Adityan Anup was there. Abhinand Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Abhinav Bijoy.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav is present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Abhinav PA, just to say loudly, there is some problem with audio. I can't hear you.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Abhinav PA is present. Ahmad Afin. Afin. Absent.
Absent.
Okay. Albert Jojo.
Absent.
Absent. Is he coming? I don't know. So many days he is absent. Albert Jojo.
Present.
Amal is present. Amna Shirin is present. Anan Hajid is present.
Present.
Angelia is there. Angelia.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Yes. Anthony Babu.
Present.
He entered. Yeah. Anthony Babu is present. Anusha Latish.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Arjun MR.
Present, ma'am.
Ayan. Where is Ayan?
I am absent.
Oh. Benedict.
Absent.
Absent.
Carlin.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Okay. Dilla Darshan.
Absent.
Dilla.
Dilla
absent. What happened? Emelina Rose. Emelina
Absent.
absent. Children, ratio last year, Krishna Priya ma'am have taught very nicely. No, it is thorough for you, right?
Yes.
Yes.
No need to explain again and again. Very basic it is. Ratio, what is ratio? But still I have explained it. And
still you
I think
keep
you got good idea about it. We can proceed with the problems. Okay. Now next is whose name Ishal is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishal?
Present.
No.
Present, ma'am.
Ishal was saying the answer. Okay, very good. Gauri Parvati.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Gauri.
Present.
Present. Okay. Gokul Krishna is present. Yes.
Yes.
Hessa is there. Ija Jivaraj is there. Johain.
Present,
Johain
ma'am.
was there. No?
Present, ma'am.
Yes.
Not present.
No. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Krishna
Present.
Kripa.
Absent.
Absent.
Malavika is present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Milan K. Jain is present.
Present.
Milan is present. No. Yes.
Yes.
Miziad.
Absent.
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 Nelvin K. Anup.
Present.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Lakshmi Chandra. Present.
Present.
She was answering. Parthiv.
Present.
Parthiv.
Present, ma'am.
Yes,
Present.
good. Parvati is present. Prajita is present. Pranavatmag is present.
No,
Pranavatmag.
Absent.
Absent. Rudra is present. Shifana.
Yes.
Shifana.
Absent.
Absent.
Present. Shreya.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Present.
Present. Srihari.
Present.
Present.
Tanmay. Yes. Yes, present. Uma is present. Uma Parvati is present, no?
Present.
Vaishnav Suresh.
Present.
Present.
Okay, children. So thank you.
Ma'am.
It's time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 more minute is there, no? So we can continue with
Ma'am,
this step.
Sangeeta, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you send that PDF of Math Magic once more on the WhatsApp?
Project.
Ma'am,
Math magic.
Math Magic.
Ah.
Ma'am, can you
Pages.
send it?
PDF, can you send once more?
You want PDF? Okay.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
I'll send once more. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.